with wisdom and strength.
Welcome to the World of Warcraft, adventurers. World of Warcraft is a vast, expansive game experience offering a dizzying variety of activities. This game falls under a genre called massively multiplayer online role-playing games. Yep, it's quite the mouthful, but most of us just call them MMOs. Setting out in an MMO is a little like a classic adventure story. You start out as nothing, and you slowly build yourself into an unstoppable juggernaut that anyone could be proud of. The initial goal in World of Warcraft is just to reach the maximum level, which increases each time the developer releases a new expansion pack. After you've accomplished that, well, that's part of the appeal of World of Warcraft. You get to choose how you spend your time and where your areas of interest lie. Some players like to commit to hunting down the hardest bosses within the game, entering dangerous environments known as dungeons and raids in search of the best items and the greatest challenges. Some players pursue the top of the player versus player leaderboard, taking on other players and teams for rewards and glory. Some like to take control of the trade system, playing the economy and generating profit. Others still hunt down the rarest collectibles and novelty items, adding new trophies to their collections. And the list goes on, and on, and on. There are a massive number of undertakings that can keep you entertained, and part of the joy of the game is discovering what's right for you. Before we get started and get our boots in the ground in World of Warcraft's colossal world called Azeroth, we're going to set you up with a server, a character, and an identity within the game. Let's get to our first activity, choosing the right realm for you.